you guys, it's Lisa and welcome back to my channel. So I have got another little haul unboxing vibe for you guys. This package just came from you.The. I actually just got it today, so this video will probably posted this week or something like that. But anyways, let's jump right into it. I should mention that my going on 3-year-old is in the room making all the noise in the world, so I do apologize, but hey, them's the breaks and that's called life. All right, so let's jump right into it. This was from their Memorial Day sale, and you guys know I'm cheap, so I didn't get much, but hey, I'm sharing it with you guys. So if I can just set the box out to make sure that looks good. Okay, set the box. So they packaged it really, really nicely. First thing that I got was this Young Nail Stain Resistant Gel Top Coat, and this is a definite Nails by Jen made me buy it. It was necessary, it had to happen. So I'm really, really glad for that. The consistency is, it's something that I'm used to. It's not like overly thick or whatever, like it's not a rubber top, but it's what I'm used to, so I'm not mad about that. And there goes the baby. Next thing I got was a 32-ounce bottle of their Swipe, which I hear that this thing is like freaking liquid gold next to the sanitizer right now. Am I right? Okay, so I think this was these came together for like $20.95. I will mention that I spent $56.60 and that my country charged me $50.07 for like freight and customs and then the third-party shipping company and all that stuff. So basically I paid double for this stuff, but I will say that the way they charged me was so sophisticated, like they broke it all down for me, so I can't even be mad because I needed to get my stuff, so I got them. So 32-ounce bottle of Swipe, as well as the 8-ounce bottle, which is super cool because, I mean, obviously the pump bottle. As you can see, everything is, ooh, this is bigger than I thought. Everything came intact, so I is a happy girl about that. Okay? I'm low-key, but not low-key keeping this bag for further notice. All right, but for now it ended up on the ground. You know, whatever that one's for, I guess it was like a box stuffer. Now, these are much smaller than I thought they were gonna be. What do you know? So I got the Synergy Gel Trial Kit, as well as, oh, that's so cute that they're on there. And I got the Acrylic Trial Kit. So, to be completely honest, I got them because they were two for $20.95, which is technically just the original price of one of them. And now knowing how small they are, I am so glad that I got them when they were 2 for 1, because I would have been hella mad if I got them and I was like, damn, this is so tiny. Any which ways. I really bought these because it was like a way to try their stuff. Obviously, trial kit goes without saying, but also because the protein bottle's in here. Hello, also liquid gold. So I'm not showing you guys anything you haven't seen. Obviously, there's so many people doing this before me and better than me, or, you know, that's just the reality. But I do like to share my little journey with you guys. So it comes with a, I don't know how many ounces this is, 1/4 ounce of their Synergy Base Gel, their Synergy Concealer Pink Gel, their Synergy Gel Build, all of this, I don't know what it means, Synergy Gel Clear Sculptor, so I guess you're building the nail with this one, but then the other thing said build, so I don't really know. Synergy Gel Gloss, ooh, fancy. Synergy Gel White Sculpture. One was sculpture and one was sculpture. I promise you guys I speak English. Okay, so this is the 7 ml, oh, nice. Ultimate Finish Gel Sealer. Why am I reading like I don't know how to read? And this you know, this just goes without saying. It's the protein bomb. It is the liquid gold. Yes, I feel very good about this purchase. Yes. So that's that. I'll probably just put them back in there. And then the acrylic kit. Boy, let me tell you, they know how to package up with something. I'll tell you what. It comes with, oh, this bottle is nice. This is noise. This is in half an ounce of their nail liquid. You get their cover blush nail powder. I think it's because it's Young Nails. That's why I'm acting like I'm not used and I can't speak. Cover Pink nail powder, because I don't know why I'm acting like I'm meeting Beyonce for the first time and don't know how to read. Speed Clear nail powder. I have got to stop that. I hope it wears off by the time this video is done. The Core French Pink nail powder, as well as the Speed White nail powder. Why do I keep talking like that? And another bottle of the Protein Bond. Oh, can you tell how excited I am? Yes, I'm excited. I'm very excited. I am pleased with this purchase. So again, all of this was $56 and some odd cents. I say 60 to be exact, because you know I know what I spent for stuff that I bought. So yeah, I'm really excited with this purchase. If you didn't catch the Memorial Day sale, how'd you let that happen? That's what I want to know. I'm just kidding. No, I barely scraped the barrel of my, change purse to make up that money that I spent. Hello. Okay. And the husband finds out about these things when it's time to pick it up from the shipping company. Lies I tell. No, we discuss everything. Almost everything. All right, guys, so that was my purchase. That's my mini unboxing. Thank you so much for joining me. I love you guys for watching. If you've tried Young Nails before, which I'm sure you have, please let me know in the comments what you have tried, what you love. Do you have any feedback for me or any tips on how to use this product? What did you get from the Memorial Day sale? Did you catch it? If not, it's cool. They're gonna have loads others. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys to death for watching, and promise to see you guys in the next one. Bye.